Meaning of grimly.
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 Grimly. The word grimly is an adverb that is used to describe a situation or action that is done in a very serious, severe, or unyielding manner. It conveys a sense of bleakness and harshness, often implying a struggle against adversity or misfortune. When something is done grimly, it is typically done with little or no hope or optimism. In short, the word grimly suggests a great deal of determination, but also a certain amount of gloominess and pessimism. Overall, it carries a somber connotation and implies a difficult or unpleasant experience.